Alright, for real, I feel like they're fucking with me because that's a lot of tape for a package. Alright, what's going on, guys? I'm gonna get straight into the video. And I was actually in Colorado for about 3 weeks, and while I was over there, I decided to order some parts. A couple of friends I appreciated that got them for me and took care of them while I was over there, because I didn't want anybody stealing them from my neighborhood. But I don't think my neighborhood's like that. But either way, better safe than sorry. So anyways, I ordered a couple of things, such as an intake boot. I am going boosted. Actually, I have a turbo right here, which I'll show you guys in a little bit. I am going boosted, but this is just temporarily because I am taking this car to school because I start on the 27th. So yeah, this is just for now, you know what I mean, until I can get the silicone ones, which hold more airflow into them. So yeah, as you can see, I paid like $9 for this. Pretty cheap. Pretty sure it came from China, but it looks pretty decent, at least to me. So that's good. Material's good. Feels pretty strong. Obviously brand new. I also got here a quick shifter for $14. Let me unbox it out. There we go. Check this out. I got the blue one because the car is blue. I just wanted to match. I know you won't be able to see it, but I've heard a lot of good things about these. They're super cheap. You can't go wrong with them. Apparently, I'm gonna try it myself. I'm gonna install it here in a little bit, so we'll check that out. And I got some brake line adapters because I am going to install a hydro brake. I'm going to show you that in a little bit. And obviously a really cheap oil catch can that I might be switching out for a better one, because I for sure know that that's not really going to hold. It doesn't look like it's going to hold. But yeah, I mean, that's it. I still got a couple things coming. My wife's friend is bringing them over here shortly, such as like a turbo chip tune and this and that. You guys will see when they get here. So this is it. This is the eBay quality that I got. Hopefully it works. Master cylinder looks decent. I heard that they fell a lot, so I'm gonna probably end up getting like a Willwood one or something like that eventually, so it holds longer. Feels decent pushing it back. Feels normal. It doesn't, you know what I mean? It has like a little adapter thing so you can lock it just in case you're like in an uphill position, I guess. So yeah, looks pretty decent. I mean, I even got some adapters for it. They look to be the same, but you never know. So I got another one that's coming in the mail as well. That will fit in with the brake lines, which I also have brake lines. Here goes the big thing, which is the turbo. Some lines. And here's a big ass turbo. I can't even get it out with one hand, but you guys can see it. Let's take it out of the box. Alright guys, as you can see, this turbo is massive. There is no play at all. So I think that is extremely awesome. It is the GT45 Turbo, GT45 I believe, yeah. It cost me $240 off of DNA Motoring Company. Obviously this is a budget build, so it's going on the E36, which is awesome. I'm not really sure how much boost I'm going to be running. I'm probably going to be running something low. But obviously I'm going to be doing more mods to the engine, such as a MLS gasket and ARP head studs. That way it actually holds, because I mean, it'll hold like it is, but it's better to be safe than sorry. So I'm also going to be getting a clutch so it won't slip. I'll show you guys some other things that I also bought. Well, the power steering pump, because the one in the car is leaking extremely bad. I'm pretty sure it's like an internal seal or something like that, and it like the steering wheel is extremely hard, so it's completely pointless to, you know what I mean, to even do some skids on it. I also got 25 feet of brake line. I'm going to be using this. I do need to pick up a flaring tool, but yeah, as you can see, this is pretty dope. It's quite a lot. So yeah, and then there's some fittings in here that I'm also going to be needing with the adapters that I also bought. So you're gonna need these because these go along the brake lines, and you can see they have like a little nipple inside of them that passes through them. You see that? You're gonna need these, those, and I'm pretty sure there's another one, but I have to look for it. So yeah, that's that. Also guys, if you guys want to see another look at the turbo, it is completely awesome. Look at it. It spins really freely. Look at that. Another thing for the maintenance on the car that I'm having issues with, and before I go to school I want to fix, is going to be the brake booster. I'm pretty sure it is the brake booster because I've tested every single way on how to test these. I've checked every single way on how to test these, and I'm pretty sure it is this. So we're going to be switching this out today, and everything else I might do a different video for it. So if you guys are interested, make sure you keep up with the channel, subscribe, hit that notification button so you guys can get the latest videos. So let's get to it. I might be installing this first. If you're wondering, as far as pricing goes, I bought this for 60. I bought this for 80. I bought this for 15. The brake lines were 13. These fittings were 7. Turbo was 240. This was 49, so $50. This was 14, and this was 9. So yeah, just in case you're wondering, I'm gonna be getting the Mishimoto, I believe, which is like $70. Those are pretty expensive. I'm pretty sure there's other people selling them out there, but I just want to buy mine new because I don't really feel like buying used stuff from other people, especially if they've been abused. So yeah, all of this is empty. It's from the box, from the oil catch can and the short shifter, just in case you guys are wondering. So yeah.